Okay, the Ferrari has done its job, and we have ploughed out a square and way down the driveway. And there's Ruchama, but there's the cars and there's the Ferrari, of course, red. Okay, just measure here, Ruchama. Let's have a look. Put the tape down to put it there, that's it.
20 and a quarter.
Let's see. Sorry.
It's freezing.
Yeah, okay. Let's do there. Well, that's not the ground. Yeah.
Can't find the ground.
Doesn't matter. Do it, yeah.
This is the error of parallax.
31, 30. Yeah, okay, let's go and take a look. Just take a look at what it looks like. Yeah.
That's more than 2 feet long.
Yeah, I know. More than 2 feet there, but that's drifted a bit. I think we're talking around about 2 feet. If you have a look here, we've cut straight down. This is a wonderful job of the sidewalk. I must say I wouldn't have liked to have done this without the snowblower.
It's not like 20.
20, yeah. Let's take a look. So this is what our neighborhood looks like.
Twenty-three.
23, yeah. You can see what the snow on the roof's busy slipping off. We've had a lot of wind, heavy wind, up to 50 miles an hour, gusting, which blows most of the snow off the roof. But
We also have stalactites.
stalactites are standard. Let's have a look here. This is already blown, remember, this was nice and smooth when I ploughed. So you can see this is our front lawn, and I'm not sure whether you can get a feeling of, we'll just jump out the way there, Ruchama. This is obviously where the snow ploughs have ploughed up the snow. You can see the parking lights in the church across the road. That's our roof. It's an enormous pile of snow there. Drifted right up. There's steps there going up. You can't even see them where that light pole is. Lamp. Let's take a look. This is heading up Westminster into Hillside. There's no snow on the trees because with that heavy wind it just blew off. Only stuff which is very closely sheltered, and you can see here the bushes have actually got snowed up completely, so you can't really blow it off because the bushes are effectively under the snow. You can see there's stairs to the next door house, also snowed up. You can see the people clearing their driveways, everyone's shoveling, snow blowing, pretty good going. You can get a car in and out, it's not bad. Right, I'm going to switch off, that's us.